Good morning, all. This is Lakshmi Prasanna, English faculty, DAV High School, Nalatur. Children, look at the sentence. The sentence is I gave the beggar food, water. Don't you see? Some word is missing in the sentence. I think you got it. Yes. The sentence has to be written as I gave the beggar food and water. Here, the word and is adding the two words food and water, which we call it as a conjunction. In your previous class, you have learned the basic information about conjunctions and their types. Now, in our today's class, we shall know few more details about the conjunctions. So, the conjunction is a word used to join words or clauses. In English, we have certain words that connect the large group of phrases, sentences, or clauses, which we term them as connectors, otherwise known as linkers. So, with this information, we can say that conjunctions are a part of linkers. Not only conjunctions, but also we have certain adverbs that connect the ideas or sentences, which we term them as connective adverbs. Thus, linkers are the words used to add extra information or to connect ideas and sentences. These conjunctions and connective adverbs come under the section of linkers. We use these linking words to give examples, add information, summarize, give a reason or result, or to contrast ideas. Now let us see examples for each kind. The first one, let us go with which kind of connectors or linking words are used to state examples. The words like for example, for instance, are used to combine and show the relationship between the ideas to give examples. Let us see a sentence with the linker, for example. You can use any two colors, for example, red or blue. India, for example, is a country of multi-languages. Japan, for instance, has 2 languages. Now here, in all these sentences, we see the word, for example, stands as a connecting word, other than the words like and other conjunctions which take a grammatical form of connecting the sentences or words. So, linkers are basically only the words to connect ideas or sentences. They add some extra information to the given sentences. Moving to the next kind of linker. We have certain words that are used to add information like and, in addition to, as well as, furthermore, moreover, apart from, in addition to, besides. Not only my brother, but also my sister disagreed with my statement. The word as well can be used at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence. Next comes apart from and besides. These are used to add more information. Besides my graduation, I need to complete post graduation nowadays to get a better position. Here, the word besides give an additional information about my acquisition of job. We also have certain words or linkers used to summarize and sequence our ideas, to give a reason, to give a result, and also show contrast in the ideas. Now let us see a few more examples using these above said linkers. Next, here to continue further, I have used the word called next. These kind of words come under as the linkers that sequence the ideas. These kind of words are used to order the ideas that the person or the speaker wants to continue. Similarly, we have some other words like the first point, the former, the latter, firstly, secondly, and also finally. These all linkers come under sequencing ideas. Next, due to the heavy rainfall, I couldn't go out. Here, the linker due to states reason. Because of heavy rainfall, I couldn't go out. I couldn't go out since it rained heavily. So, all these words, because of, due to, since, as, all these state a reason. These are used to give a reason for the incompletion of an action. It was raining, so I stayed home. In this sentence, we have the linker so, which talks about a result. It was raining. The result of it is I stayed at home. Similarly, it was raining, therefore I stayed at home. So, the words like therefore, so, consequently, all talk about the result or the cause and effect relation of the actions in the sentence. Last but not the least, we use certain words like but, however, despite, in spite of, nevertheless, while, whereas, unlike, to show how two things are different from each other. Let us come up with an example. I requested my friend, but he denied. In this sentence, I requested my friend. He denied. Actually, being a friend, I generally expect him to accept my request. But an unusual thing like denying happened, which shows a contrast of the first action, which is quite different from what usually has to happen. In spite of heavy rain, I went out. Here again, if you see, in the case of raining, Generally, we don't prefer to go out, but here an unexpected action happened going out, where we, to show the contrast, we use the sentence or the word or the linker called in spite of. Hence, the sentence formed as in spite of raining, I went out. So, children, I think you understood what are linkers. Linkers are the connecting words, the linking words used to give example, to add extra information, to summarize the whole ideas what the speaker wants to convey, to sequence the ideas, to state a reason, and to give a result of an action, also to contrast an idea from the others. Put together all these words that are used to state these different context are thus known as linkers.